Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to open control panel in Windows 10. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned user, knowing your way around the control panel can be incredibly useful for managing your system settings. So let's start the video. To access control panel in Windows 10, the first method is to use the Windows search bar. Just click on the magnifying glass icon or start typing control panel in the search bar located next to the start button. And you should see it appear in the search results. Click on it to open the control panel. You can select view by category or you can select large icons or small icons. Another quick method is by pressing the Windows key plus R command shortcut on your keyboard. So press Windows key plus R. This will open the Run dialog box. Now simply type Control and hit Enter. And there you have it, the control panel is now open and ready for you to explore. So that's how to open control panel in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.